Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start the course of Advances in Fermentation Technology in the discipline of biotechnology. As concerned the fermentation technology, it's a very important course in the discipline of biotechnology. As we know that biotechnology is divided into two major disciplines, conventional biotechnology as well as modern biotechnology. Conventional biotechnology is totally based upon fermentation technology. But the modern biotechnology is also, when you want to apply it on industrial level, then it is also based upon fermentation technology. Today, in our first module, we will overview about this course of Advances in Fermentation Technology. Let's start that what is fermentation technology. Fermentation, as concerned the word of fermentation, is derived from a Latin verb which means fervi. The word fervi means to boil. So fermentation is referred to as a physical state of boiling, which you can say at a bubbling. So in these diagrams, in two images, we can say that what is the bubbling appearance and how this bubbling appearance referred to the subject of fermentation. In the next slide, you can also see that the physical state of such kind of appearance referred to as the fermentation. Why this happen? This bubbling appearance in fermentation is due to the production of carbon dioxide bubbles caused by anaerobic catabolism of sugar present in the extract by the action of the yeast cells. So, when carbon dioxide produced in fermentation process, it oozes out and then the bubbling appearance occur, due to which this whole process is known as fermentation process. So, how it technically defined, the fermentation terms can be defined by different field expert in the term of chemistry, in term of microbiology, in term of biotechnology. Let's start what the biochemist says about fermentation technology. In the word of biochemist, the fermentation relates to the generation of energy by catabolism of organic compounds. But in strict sense, the fermentation is an energy generation process in which organic compounds act as both as electron donor as well as electron acceptors. If I simplify this definition, then we can say that fermentation is an oxidation reduction reactions for the sake of energy generation process. But how the microbiologist or an industrial microbiologist look with their eyes? Industrial microbiologists broaden the term of fermentation. Microbiologists describe the fermentation as that any process for the production of the product by the mass culturing of the microorganism. As concerned the biotechnologist, the term fermentation become more broader than as said by the microbiologist. So, with the eye of the biotechnologist, the fermentation can be described as the use of the biological system for the sake of development or improvement or a facilitation in a process by mass culture.